Today we are at Basecamp, which is just the start of the long run to Summit, and we're at University of South Wales in the Atrium in Cardiff.
It's been a few panels talking about women in music, talking about producing, talking about music journalism. We've had some amazing guests and stuff. It's been really interesting.
I think events like this are definitely important in the music industry, especially the Welsh music industry, just to kind of spread the word about what is available here, what the options are for you to do.
I think it's really impressive and important that Beacons do these sorts of events to just try and reach as many people as possible. I think they're so beneficial to everyone involved.
It's nice to be able to ask questions and learn from other people and talk about each other's experiences and really come together as a community.
I think what I've finally got a grip, a sort of an insight to is understanding that it's Beacons a bit of a springboard into other opportunities. So it's good to get started on the grassroots level.
I used to go to similar events when I was in university, but it was never people who are still quite young and still finding their feet in the industry and can speak on real life things that are happening right now and give you genuine advice, I guess, yeah.
I think it's been just a really nice interactive environment. So the fact that it's been in person and they've invited loads of young people who are within the scene. It's been really fun and friendly.
These events are so important because this is how new people start out in the industry through gaining knowledge and sharing experiences. So it's really vital that these events are happening.
Thank you for watching Basecamp. It's been an absolute pleasure holding this event for the first time ever for you guys. We hope you've enjoyed our panels and our live performances. If you want to follow us and see anything more from today, then you can go to beacons.cymru and you can see pretty much everything there ever is to see about Beacons, the Honey Sessions, Cruise and Doorstepping. It's all there.